Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows backup failed with the error code 0x81000031 in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the backup failure notifications appears before the error 0x81000031 interrupts the process during its executions. So this error occurs most frequently with file history because it needs an NTFS file system to work correctly. And other causes can include BitLocker encryptions on the backup drive, corrupted system files, insufficient disk space, and third-party antivirus software interference. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check the backup drive file system. So all you have to do is open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type File Explorer and then click open. And once you open up this File Explorer, at left side navigation pane, and then select this PC, and on right side, and then you need to select this backup drive. Alright, so this is the backup drive. So all you have to do is to select and then right click. And next step, then you need to select properties. And here at backup drive properties, and the next step, then you need to check if this file system is include NTFS. Okay, so you can see now that this backup drive properties is include NTFS. But if not, then I'll show you how to modify. Right, then we need to close this backup drive properties. And same again here at backup drive, then you need to select and then right click and select format, and pop up this backup drive format. So all you have to do is to select this file system and click this arrow and select NTFS default. And then once you're done here, and then click start. Alright, so click only here. And then we need to close and hope to resolve the problem. But if the error still persists, and the next solutions we're going to do is to exclude the backup drive from file history. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. So here at search for apps, and then you need to type file history and then click open. And once you open up this file history, at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select exclude folders and then click. Alright, so here at exclude from file history, so all you have to do is to click this add and pop up this select folder. So all you have to do is to scroll down and then select this backup drive. And next step, then you need to click this select folder. And you can see now that the backup drive is already included from file history. And the next step, and then click save changes. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows backup failed error 0x81000031 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.